Will gold reach record highs? Is the topic of our discussion today. Early May saw gold prices reach $2067 for the first time since March 2022. The gold price rise was supported by investor anxiety over the banking sector, particularly when the Silicon Valley Bank failed and when Credit Suisse was taken over by UBS. The debt ceiling concerns of the US government are some of the reasons which have led the gold prices reach their lifetime high. At this point of time, the question in the mind of all is basically what does the future hold for the gold? Hence, a gold price forecast for 2023 and beyond. Rare precious metal gold is found in quartz veins and stream gravel in its purest form. In the global economy, gold has been an important commodity since ancient Egypt. Gold is often used by investors during recession or uncertain times or to hedge against inflation. Investors tend to flee flat currencies during periods of high inflation, which has been positive for gold's price. As a result, central banks' monetary policy in controlling inflation plays a key role in determining the gold's price. With the current monetary policy increasingly being used by central banks, investors are flocking to gold as a safe haven asset, driving up its price. Gold prices are expected to continue to rise in the near future as investors seek to protect their wealth from the effects of inflation. Gold being a tradable commodity denominated in US dollars, it has an inverse relationship with the greenback. As the US dollar gains value against other currencies, gold becomes more expensive. In contrast, a fall in the US dollar boosts gold price because overseas buyers can buy the metal at a cheaper price. Statista reports that Switzerland, India, the UK, and China were the top gold importers in 2021. As of late 2022 and the beginning of 2023, the precious metal has experienced a trend reversal to bullish momentum with highs and lows rising in 2 months between November 2022 and early Feb 2023. In March, gold passed $2,000 amid turmoil in the banking sector following the Silicon Valley Bank collapse, forcing investors to seek safe haven assets. Of course, gold also got its support due to the concerns about the US debt ceiling. There was a lot of speculation that was built prior to the US debt ceiling resolution that the Senate has ultimately accepted and dissolved by consensus. The contrasting effects persistently which were high in terms of inflation and central banks across the world, particularly the US Federal Reserve, rising interest rates to combat rising consumer prices have driven the gold market narrative apart from the banking sector and US debt ceiling worries. As macroeconomic developments continue, I feel that gold's market remains bullish. We also need to keep in mind that the monetary tightening has boosted the US dollar value, which has largely influenced gold's price. Peaked at 114.68 in late September 2022, but has since fallen back by over 10% as of May 2023, according to the dollar index DXY. Due to the ongoing volatility in the market, speculation is ripe about gold prices forecast through 2024. It is anticipated that the precious metal will trade around $2,100 by the end of 2023, increasing to $2,200 by September 2024. A concluding thought on the gold prices. Gold price predictions are difficult to produce because of high market volatility. It is therefore possible and likely that analysis and algorithms based forecasts will make definitely mistakes. It is always a good idea to conduct our own research, take a look at the latest market trends, news, technicals, and fundamentals before one can indulge any kind of gold purchase. And also remember, when you trade in gold, be prepared to lose as gains are not guaranteed in gold trade. Hope the information is useful to you all. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.